feel naman din talaga ng mga students ang kanilang award. Alright, so first off, congratulations to everyone. Let's start with the With High Honors. Okay, so With High Honors with an average of 96%. Well, help me welcome Francis Terrence A. Daniel. And of course, Francis is also our best in English, best in mathematics, best in analytical lipunan, best in geometry, best in research, and best in Bible. Again, with high honors, Francis Terrence A. Daniel. Congratulations. Okay, now with high honors with an average of 95%, Anika Eunice Jiva. Anika is also our best in Filipino and best in science. Congratulations. Again, with high honors, Anika Eunice Jiva. Alright, again, with high honors,
Sige lang.
Paris Pauline H.
Kanya picture din.
95%. Paris is also
Kamera niya,
our
tumangan.
best in
Kamera, tumangan.
English. Congratulations. Okay, photo up. Photo up, photo up. Okay, great. Congratulations, Paris. With high honors, with an average of 95%. Precious Eliza Miel E. Bravo. Congratulations. Okay, alright, so have here Mama Bravo also. Congratulations, Precious Miel Eliza, with high honors. Okay, and that's for our with high honors. The students who got with high honors has an average of 95% to 97%. Next, with